Are you drowning in the buzzwords about the future-ready skills that you should be teaching? Frustrated that the system isn't moving fast enough to keep up? Well, welcome to part 3 of our 5-part series on the top skills for the future. Here, we're diving into practical ways that educators can start building these skills in classrooms and online spaces today. By the end of this video and the entire series, I promise that you will have a wealth of new AI-resilient assessment ideas to drive the teaching of critical skills that you can implement in your classrooms for 2025 and beyond. Real change begins with committed educators, because waiting for the system just isn't an option. Hi, I'm Bianca Raby, CEO of Apeda, an e-learning company I've led for over 5 years. Before that, I spent 10 years working in K-12 as a classroom teacher and leader. And in between, I completed my MBA and started consulting in higher education. Before we dive in, a huge thank you for choosing to spend your time here. Your attention is truly valuable, and we don't take it for granted. If you're enjoying what you see, please consider giving this video a like. It is a small gesture that makes a big difference to us. And if you're already a fan, please go ahead and hit the subscribe to join us as we keep bringing you content that matters. Thanks for being here. Okay, so this video is going to dive into what it really takes to equip our students with technological proficiency and digital literacy. And just so that we're on the same page, let's define each.
Technological proficiency refers to the ability to effectively use, manage, and troubleshoot a variety of digital tools and devices. It involves understanding how to operate hardware, software, and online platforms, as well as knowing how to apply technology to solve problems, complete tasks, and increase productivity. Digital literacy goes beyond proficiency by encompassing the skills needed to navigate, evaluate, and responsibly engage with digital information and content. It includes the ability to critically assess the credibility of online sources, understand digital ethics, such as privacy and intellectual property, and communicate effectively in digital formats.
So why do we see them clustered together? Because they represent complementary skills. Technological proficiency focuses on the practical skills needed to operate digital tools. For example, I can operate a Macintosh computer at a mastery level, while digital literacy emphasizes critical understanding and ethical engagement with digital content. For example, I understand that the content in my social media feed is tailored specifically to me, which means that I am in an online filter bubble. These are the critical skills for the future, because being familiar with digital tools and emerging tech, such as AI and machine learning, is crucial as technology reshapes industries. Skills in monitoring and designing technology enable employees to stay competitive, especially in roles that integrate AI with human oversight. So what does this look like to teach? For the sake of this video being bite-sized, to discuss how to teach this, I will work backwards from some possible ways to assess, the classic backward design technique. Also, all examples I provide have been designed to be AI resilient, addressing the latest challenge for educators: how to create assessments that are challenging for AI to complete independently while encouraging authentic critical thinking from the students. Assessment Strategy 1. Digital portfolio with reflections. The task requires students to build a digital portfolio, compiling projects that demonstrate tech proficiency. For example, data visualizations, coding tasks, or multimedia presentations. Alongside each project, students write reflections, detailing their process, challenges faced, and lessons learned. By having students articulate their technical decisions and troubleshooting steps, the assessment goes beyond the final product and dives into the learning process, something that AI cannot easily replicate. The evaluation. Evaluate each student's work on 3 main criteria. 1. Technical skill. 2. Reflective insight. And 3. Growth over time. Assessment Strategy 2. Integrate digital tools into projects. The task. Encourage students to use online tools like Google Suite, data analytics software, or digital presentation tools. For example, in a science class, ask students to use digital simulations to test hypotheses, or in social studies, guide them in using data visualization tools to map population trends, for example. The evaluation. Assess students on their technological proficiency, application of digital tools, and analytical depth. Assessment Strategy 3. Online discussion analysis. The task. Have students participate in an online discussion board where they research and discuss a relevant topic. Each student must contribute thoughtful posts, respond to peers, and later write a reflection analysing the quality of information shared, including any instances of misinformation, bias or strong arguments they observed. The evaluation. Assess this task based on technological proficiency in navigating and contributing effectively to the online platform, as well as digital literacy in analysing the reliability and bias of information. These 3 assessment strategies target both technological proficiency and digital literacy by engaging students in hands-on, reflective projects that go beyond simple skills demonstration. They also can be adjusted for age and context. So what do you think? Have you already been creating assessments that drive your teaching like this? What success have you had? Drop me a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And now for part 4 of this series, click here. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay awesome.